Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you the simple yet delicious kimchi or achomo recipe. Without wasting time, let's get started. In a bowl, I will go in with 1 egg and also half cup of evaporated milk. I will then mix them together and set it aside. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, this is Getty Cooks. We make food recipes on this channel. Next in my bowl, I will go in with all my dry ingredients. So the first one I went in is my flour. After that, sugar, some salt, nut milk, and also powdered milk. I will leave the quantity in the description box. Moving forward, I went in with my 2 tablespoons of margarine. If you have butter, it can also do the work perfectly. So I'm going to mix until I get a breadcrumb texture. Okay guys, so next I will add my wet ingredients, and I also added 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I will then mix them until a dough is formed. I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I do appreciate you all. Thank you so much and God bless you. To my new subscribers too, you are welcome on board. So after some time, our dough is beautifully formed, and I will just knead and let it rest for some few minutes before rolling the dough. Alright fam, so this is the lovely outcome of our chomo or chin chin recipe. This was so nice, perfect, delicious and crunchy as well. I hope you give this recipe a try and you will love it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to reach more people, and guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.